Hey, what's up guys? Here Karthik from Lorem Octave, and today we are going to discuss how to implement tap back system from iOS 14 in any Android smartphone. So let's begin. With the release of iOS 14, a new feature known as tap back is becoming more popular nowadays. This feature helps you to perform some functionalities just by tapping the back panel of your smartphone, like increasing or decreasing brightness, activating flashlight or taking screenshot, and many more. But XG developer developed an application to implement these same feature in any Android smartphone. Yes, but just installing an application. This application just use your phone's gyroscope and accelerometer to implement this feature, and that every smartphone has in 2020. You just need to download app from XG developer website and follow the given instruction in the video. After downloading the application, you just have to install the application and then open it. The user interface of the application will look like this. You just have to allow the accessibility permission to this application by this simple method, and this method is same for the most smartphone in 2020. You just have to allow this. Then you have to disable the battery optimization, and keep that in mind. This app is in alpha stage, so it will consume more energy than usual, but with more updates it will become more stable and consume less energy, so keep that in mind. And then you have to go to actions. Here you can add or remove any actions. For adding any action, you can add by just tapping the add action button in the bottom, and here are 4 options and you can choose any of them to add any action. You can check them out and add as per your wish. If you want to remove any action, you just have to hold the action and remove it. And you can also add requirements, if you want to fire the action when the screen is off or the when the screen is on, you can add that. And you can add more than 2, and also you can remove the action requirements. And after that, if you want to increase or decrease the sensitivity of the sensor, you can go to gestures and adjust to your smartphone. As per my smartphone, it adjusts to normal. It works fine with normal in my smartphone. You can adjust it to your smartphone. And after all that, if you double tap your smartphone back, your action will get fired. In my case, my Google Assistant get fired like this. And pretty much this for the video. Hope you like this simple trick to enable your double tap gesture in any Android smartphone. If you like this trick, please do subscribe my channel and share this video as much as possible. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.